Hello and welcome. My name is Mark Benton. I'm an English qualified lawyer and I help Hansan's foreign clients together with our team of Korean lawyers with their legal issues in Korea. So today I'd like to spend a few minutes talking about enforcing foreign judgments in Korea. Now, it is possible to do that, but there are basically three criteria of which you need to be aware. The first one is recognition of the foreign judgment in Korea pursuant to Article 217 of the Civil Procedure Act, so that's step one. Step two is that you have to issue proceedings for a judgment of execution pursuant to Article 26 of the Civil Execution Act. So assuming Korea will recognise the foreign judgment, then you have to issue proceedings in order for it to be executed. And then the third step is to enforce the foreign judgment in the usual way, so whatever enforcement mechanism you would use in your home country, there's basically an analogue in Korea. Okay, so what are the criteria for recognition? Well, the first one is that the judgment has to be final and conclusive. The second is the jurisdiction of the foreign court is recognised under the principles of international jurisdiction under Korean law. And the next one is that the defeated party needs to be properly served so that they have sufficient time to defend the case, or that the defeated party voluntarily responded to the lawsuit without having been served. So those are three of the criteria. The remaining criteria, two of them, well, the foreign judgment does not undermine public policy of Korea, and the final one is that there's a mutual guarantee of substantial equivalence between Korea and the foreign country in which the foreign judgment was given. Okay, so those are the criteria for recognising the foreign judgment. Let's move on to timing and enforcement. So recognising and obtaining judgment of execution, well, it depends really on the legal issues and the complexity of the claim, but basically it would take somewhere between 3 and 1 year in the court of first instance. Excuse me. And when you come to enforce the judgment, well, it very much depends. It depends on how willing and able the defendant is to pay, and the most appropriate method of enforcing the judgment. But it could take up to a year realistically to enforce the judgment. Okay. Thank you very much for listening to this short presentation. If you'd like to contact me, my contact details are below. My email is marktbenton@ansay.com. Thank you very much.